Daily
Daily
English
English Conversation,
Conversation,
Part
Part
2.
2. Okay, welcome back.
If you survived Part 1, you're ready for Part 2.
Today, I'll ask 25 new daily English questions,
I'll give you sample answers.
and then it's your turn to speak.
Yes, even if you're alone.
Let's
practice.
practice. How do you usually start your morning?
I check my phone and regret waking up early.
How do you usually start your morning? What time do you feel most productive?
Around 10 a.m., after my second coffee.
What time do you feel most productive? Do you prefer texting or calling?
Texting. Calling feels too serious.
Do you prefer texting or calling? What's the first app you open every day?
Honestly, social media. No shame.
What's the first app you open every day? Are you more active in the morning or at night?
At night, that's when my energy finally appears.
Are you more active in the morning or at night? What do you do when you're bored?
I scroll, snack, and overthink.
What do you do when you're bored? Do you like planning or being spontaneous?
I plan, and then ignore the plan.
Do you like planning or being spontaneous? What kind of videos do you watch online?
Short videos that steal my time.
What kind of videos do you watch online? Do you enjoy being alone?
Sometimes, silence can be very peaceful.
Do you enjoy being alone? What's something that annoys you easily?
Slow internet. It hurts my soul.
What's something that annoys you easily? Are you good at remembering names?
No, I remember faces, not names.
Are you good at remembering names? What do you usually do before sleeping?
I promise myself I'll sleep early.
What do you usually do before sleeping? Do you like talking or listening more?
Listening, unless it's a fun topic.
Do you like talking or listening more? What makes a day feel successful for you?
Finishing my tasks and feeling calm.
What makes a day feel successful for you? How often do you practice English?
Not enough, but I'm trying.
How often do you practice English? What do you do when you don't understand something in English?
I guess. And hope for the best.
What do you do when you don't understand something in English? Do you like learning alone or with others?
With others. It feels less scary.
Do you like learning alone or with others? What's something you want to improve this year?
My speaking confidence. definitely.
What's something you want to improve this year? Do you get nervous speaking English?
Yes, but I speak anyway.
Do you get nervous speaking English? What helps you stay motivated?
Small progress and kind reminders.
What helps you stay motivated? Are you more serious or playful?
Playful until responsibilities arrive.
Are you more serious or playful? What's your favorite way to relax?
Music, coffee, and doing nothing.
What's your favorite way to relax? Do you like trying new things?
Yes, but I complain first.
Do you like trying new things? What makes you laugh instantly?
Unexpected jokes and silly mistakes.
What makes you laugh instantly? Last question. Why are you practicing English today?
Because I want to speak better tomorrow.
Last question. Why are you practicing English today? So, did you answer the questions out loud?
Even one answer counts.
Replay the video and answer faster.
Or make your own answers.
Like, share, and subscribe for part 3. And
And remember,
English gets better when you use it.
Welcome to ESC Speaking and Conversation, your channel.
where you learn English and improve your speaking.
I am Lucy.
And I am Max.